Let's discuss LeetCode problem number 1, two-sum Java solution. But before we discuss, please like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell button for notifications. Also, I've added a lot of quizzes to the community page. Please check it out. I'd appreciate it. Now back to the problem. This is LeetCode problem number 1, and you are given an array of numbers and a target. Now you have to find if there are two numbers in the array which add up to this target. In this case, 2 and 7 add up to 9, and but you are supposed to return the indices of where those two numbers exist in the input array. So that's the problem at hand, and let us take a look at the Java solution. So you are going to use the hash map solution as per data structure as part of this solution. So this is the input array and this is the target, and you are going to use the hash map of integer to integer, and you create the num2 index hash map, and now you loop through the input array, and then whenever you get a number, in this case, say for example you got 2, now you take the complement by subtracting 9 from 2, which leads to 7. So the complement for 2 becomes 7, and then you in the first case, I'll come back to this if loop later. So you add the you put the 2 at index 0, 2 at index 0 in the map, and move on to the next one, because for the first element of the map you will not get the solution right away, because you at least like 2 to tango kind of thing in this scenario. And then next you go through the next element. Now you get the complement. In this case it is 7. The complement now 9 minus 7 becomes 2, and then now you are ready to check. Now once there is one element, now you can check in this if condition if that element 2 is there in the map or not. So in this case it is there. Then you create an integer array getting the num2 index of complement 2, and then which is 0 in this case because you stored index 0, and then 1. So that is the answer you return in this case. Otherwise you can, the LeetCode problem doesn't discuss like what happens if you cannot find the sum. So what is the return value? But you can just throw an illegal argument exception in this scenario. So let us look at the sample runs. This one we already went through, like 2, 7, 11, 15, and then target is 9, 5. So checking number 2, complement 7, and then you put 2 in the hash map with index 0, and then number 7 complements 2, and then it is found in the hash map, so you return 0, 1. So in this case of 3 to 4, target 6, 3, and then the complement becomes 6 minus 3, 3, and then 3 is at index 0, and then 2, the complement is 4, and you don't find 2 in the map, so you just store 2 at index 1, and then when the 4 comes, you have the complement 2 and it is found in the index, so you return indices of 2 and 4 at 1 and 2. So that's what you return. Comment below if you have any questions. Otherwise I will see you in the next video.